Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have seafood. It's not deshelled, it has shells, but we feel like eating it in this what?
Bowl, like
container.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna go down.
It's gonna go down. Now I don't have an outfit of the day for you today, but I'll have one for you tomorrow.
I know y'all miss it, ladies, but it's gonna come. Don't worry.
What do you mean? They had it last week.
They said you be missing out on the outfit of the day.
One time, two times, three times.
It's all good though. This look delicious as always. So we got some crawfish. You know what I'm saying? We have we have some shrimp. We have some egg. We have some Richie sausage.
Richie's beef sausage.
Yes. What else we have?
You said corn, egg.
Egg, corn. I said all of that already.
Yep, and shrimp. Yeah, it's everything.
Shrimp, something light, not something simple, not expensive.
Simple, yeah, man.
Cheap and clean, you know. Oh, family, I almost forgot. Gotta put the beer together. You know when you see seafood, you know what time it is. You know what it is already.
Yeah, I can't wait for Richie.
First lady can't wait for me. Beard gang in the building.
Ooh, hurt my.
Where?
Guys, ooh,
watch it. I always put on the beard guard like it's a mask, you know.
The sauce is in the bottom too.
Sauce in the bottom. Beard gang in the building. I'll look.
Like a GQ.
GQ, son. Before we start, what y'all been doing? Start with the potato. Damn, first lady. It's a lot to know. I gotta get up in it. That shit hot, man. Y'all gotta help us today. We got a lot today.
Whew.
You was thirsty?
But sausage.
Get a piece of sausage.
Ooh, it's good.
Crawfish. We used to catch these in Jamaica when we go to this, like we call something called the river, but aka canal. We used to catch these at the banking, and when they catch them in Jamaica, we curry them.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Yeah.
We need to do that one day, honey. Yeah, we need to do that one day.
All the seasoning in there, you know. Boy.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I hope you guys had a good weekend.
I can. I can.
I'm sorry. Because you know what I did? Watch tennis. The Australian Open is on. Oh. Well, I watched tennis and I continued the All-American. Not the All-American. I continued watching All-American. I make it in my own name.
Obviously,
How it tastes, baby love?
Good.
Good?
I tell you, excellent.
Thank you, baby.
Before I even start, I told you already. It's tripping. We go back to Jamaica. We go canal. We go to the river again. We catch some crayfish.
Oh man. We had so much fun in Jamaica. I'm telling you, we would have been in Jamaica at least twice already. But with COVID, can't go. But
we gonna go. We gonna get there.
Definitely. Yeah.
There be a sausage. Right?
Just,
right? The two time.
I agree. I'm gonna get some.
First they did that thing. Damn, you see how hot it is? Woo!
It's hot, honey.
I want to get them some though.
You're so sharing.
Take it quick, it's hot. Take it quick. Alright, good.
Okay.
Woo!
I'm not give them none today.
Right, got seafood?
I know they be cursing me out like I can't stand her.
They know your food is, you don't eat a lot anyway, so It's alright if you don't share.
Richie give you a lot of food. I'm surprised he giving you any.
Right, family? Yeah, I know she didn't eat a lot, so yeah, I don't mind.
The seafood, you guys know I gotta go hard. Hard for the seafood. Cause Richie move fast like a lightning.
Like, boy! You say in the building. It's a lot of seafood. It's too much today.
It's always too much and you still yum it off. I don't know what you're talking about. I wanted to get some blue crabs, but
Blue crabs are expensive,
yeah, it's expensive because
they're rated.
when we buy it in a case. And like 80 comes in a case, 90 sometimes. So, and then I clean it, boil it, and then freeze it for when we want to do, you know, when we want to just feel like eating some. So close?
I should buy your head. See in here. And don't say, Richie, you chew the head, I chew every damn thing. That's right there for him. Not you? Why not?
Mine, you talking now.
How you eat your crawfish? That's food, well,
The sausage is very good.
I do. It is.
Ooh.
Tom, because I put enough pepper and I think man.
Honey, I think you're getting old. I don't taste no pepper. Family, let me tell you something.
Pepper getting from now.
Remember the video the fast food Friday video that we did with Chinese food, and Richie yam the pepper and then bun him? Alright. That same pepper, pepper, I don't know, he's keeping going in and out. That same piece of pepper that he said he was going to let Timmy taste it.
That one was hot like the one.
All Timmy said was, woo, this is hot. And kept it moving.
So why you didn't eat the big piece of what I gave you?
That was it. Now you're saying it's too spicy.
It was hot. You know I don't complain about pepper, but that one was hot.
It was hot. It probably was hot. I'm just joking.
It was hot. You know me.
Timmy took it like a champ. She was like, ooh, this is hot.
A real boss.
And kept it moving.
Yeah.
This is really good. Really, really good.
All the seasoning. Good. Well, first I asked about the weekend was good already, so.
Yeah.
Where they head?
You know something that I didn't hear them?
Did you answer first, lady? Or you say how was your weekend? Probably I didn't hear.
I think I asked them and then I ignored them. I'm just playing. I be messing with y'all. No. They said it was good.
Okay, good. We good. We miss y'all. You know that.
Always. I'm telling you. You have more salt on your side.
Well, so get one. Yep.
I made a sauce and I pour it over it. Sometimes you don't feel like dipping.
Yeah, I'm enjoying my food.
Yeah, man.
I enjoy my meal.
That's good.
If it's good, I'm thing. Okay.
Yeah. The good thing is that I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. When you have this on eating seafood.
Right.
Because before, Richie didn't have that and he would eat seafood. For a few seconds, he would stop to wipe his beard. Now he don't stop, period.
Period.
So you know I have to be extra fast now.
Don't worry. It's a lot first, you're not worried. Shrimp lovers, take a shrimp.
Ooh.
I
I wanna get some real fresh like crawfish. Well, from New Orleans. Now I'm gonna make it myself.
Okay. That sausage was good.
It was good, right?
Good sausage.
See, I don't. I chew it up.
Wow. Alright?
Yeah.
Chew up.
Pepper.
I'm more water with some. There's a pepper night.
For real, you know, like.
Told you, it creeps.
Creeps up on you. What's that saying, honey?
Okay, chew it up.
Oh, yeah, I chew it up. Like Richie, but not as much. But yeah. I'm gonna get every meat. It's very flavorful.
Right in. Inside the head. Sauce is good. You know what, huh? It's not funny good.
That's it.
Keep talking for him.
Watch yourself in
First
it.
thing is up.
If you open up, if you know how to really eat crawfish, it's not as it's not as daunting. It's really easy to eat it.
So big too.
Yeah, you just take out the first part, and then you hold here and you pull it out, and that's it.
You want my napkin?
Oh, you have one? Thank you, baby.
Yeah. So I bring the whole roll.
I use stingy the napkins them.
I bring the whole roll, son.
That was good, cause we need it.
Yeah. Seafood, dog.
Seafood in the building. So that's how easy it is. Ooh.
Papa drink. Same one again. Yeah, that's hard.
I just put two.
Look at this big one.
That's a big boy.
That's a big mama jama.
That's a big one. I just put 2 pieces of sausage. Normally I put a lot more sausage.
Oh, take out the first layer. Look, there we go.
Oh,
I'm learning.
you got
That take too long though.
You think so, honey?
Yeah.
Or you just say that?
Take too long for the mind.
That one sounds juicy.
Juicy like you. No cap. Wow.
All right, family.
Family.
All right, so lick all my fingers.
I'm happy for it.
Ice. Ice, ice, baby. Dun, 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 dun. Ice, ice, baby. Dun, dun. Only my older, more seasoned family members know that song. Cause
Who's sing that? Vanilla Ice?
Cause every song that I tell my kids that they hear, they tell me, "Oh, that's a TikTok song." I'm like, "No, it's not. That is salt and pepper." You know, they're like, "Who?" I'm like, "Really?"
Comment down if you like crawfish. Cause we sure do.
Well, we gotta move faster. Why is with the corn always so hot?
I don't know.
Out of everything else.
Yeah, that's
But it's still steamy, you know? Look at that.
Excuse me.
Wow.
Inside your family. Tom. I never meant to say that like that,
Baby, no.
Tom. Wow.
Somebody got things say, yeah.
Copy them.
That God. Say right then, copy us already. You say good to it?
Family, that's an inside joke from your first lady. My first lady be having all inside jokes, yo.
Oh my goodness. So,
you gotta tell them now.
I don't know if you guys remember when we did Fast Food Friday and we ate at Cheddar's and they had a croissant. It's like it was like a new thing. And I was thinking about it and I was like, I want to get one. So I had got one a couple of days ago and ate it.
Okay.
By myself. Richie wasn't there.
Oh, wow. That's what we do now? That's what
Honey, I was on the road doing stuff, grocery shopping, so let me get that for a snack.
Okay.
I'm sorry. So, excuse me, family. When I say it like that. I said, what kind of sauce is that on your on the croissant? And she was like, oh, that's honey butter. I was like, bet. That's all I need.
You bought it?
I bought some croissants.
Ooh, put it in your eye?
Wow.
In your eye?
Uh-uh.
Oh, sorry.
And I did a test run. Fire. Fire.
So where's the croissant them now?
On the table. I'm gonna make some.
With honey?
And it's so simple. It's just honey and butter melted down. Let it cook a little bit, and then you pour it over the croissant. Let it let it cool down a little bit.
Yeah.
And you're good. That's it. I'll tell you guys that story time tomorrow, because we're kind of deep into the video, and I want people to hear the story time.
Yeah.
Because I know a lot of you gone already.
Exactly. A lot of y'all left already. So if you want to hear the story time, comment down story time.
Yep. Because this is this one is gonna. This one proves how greedy Richie is.
Oh, you talk about now.
You know me, I talk about my goods.
Comment down if you want to hear story time from First Lady, if you reach this far.
Greedy Richie.
Okay, family? We're going to see it.
Yeah? If you guys didn't believe how greedy, if you guys don't think how, what do I want to say?
You think there's a reach that far, yeah?
I mean, I don't know, but we'll see.
You see? Comment down story.
Yeah. That's a good one, baby.
I'm not eating more crawfish. They're too long. Take too long to get meat.
What? Watch your talk.
For real.
All right.
Ice.
Ice, baby. Sorry. That's another inside joke.
The ice could be different, you know? Oh, I want to stop it?
Okay, we're going to tell you this inside joke. Our ice machine is working. It wasn't working before, now it's working.
Working, I'm so happy it's working. Oh my God, you don't understand how I feel so light now. I used to feel heavy because my ice machine wasn't working. Now it's working. I'm so happy. I'm not a big fan of crawfish.
Yeah?
Take too long.
I think, it took too long.
But I would eat it though.
I like the crawfish.
You like it? If you reach this far, the wow of the day. You know it is. So what I got for y'all today. Let me know if this is true. The most dangerous person in the room is the one who listens, thinks and observes everything. Think so? Oh, yeah,
What are you looking at?
I think so. You don't. Let me know if that's true. Oh, mama is on fire, son.
I don't taste no pepper in this food. But that one time when you...
About my tongue, I got my thing cut me inside of my mouth.
You bit your tongue again?
But I didn't want to say nothing.
Your family told you to stop eating so fast. That's a problem.
I tell you, we shared with y'all. My tongue hurt. If you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you reach this far. So talk to them first, lady.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye!